Good afternoon. I'd like to thank Dr. Partho Biswas for giving me a chance to be a part of this ARC session. I'll be speaking on prescribing in OPD, just optional. Our study was conducted in Lucknow among the first-year postgraduate students to know about their prescription writing knowledge. And this is the result of the study. 48% have said that their knowledge of prescription writing is average. 58% said that they are not prepared to prescribe safely, and another 62% undergraduate trainees doing the first year PGT said that they are not ready to prescribe rationally. So when a PG is in the first year, then there needs to have a uniformity in the curriculum in all teaching institute, and it should encompass pharmacology, optical dispensing, but then we cannot give the responsibility to the PG to write the prescription. Now he has come in the second year. He should be able to do the workup independently, also learn about the refraction, but then the patients should be disposed by the faculty. Now the PG has come to the third year and his mind is all full with theses, investigations, OTs, diagnostics. So by that third year, he should have learned to dispense under the guidance of senior faculty. He must have learned prescribing medicines, refraction, but since the interest of the patient comes first, so it must be optional and not under compulsion. Coming to the evidence, a study conducted in Maharashtra about the drug prescription behavior, and polypharmacy was revealed in 23% of the prescriptions. A similar study in the ophthalmic medication to know about the prescription error, and the errors was maximum number of error was caused by the junior doctors. A similar study done in United Kingdom, they have also shown that drug-related errors, the maximum error was caused here. You can see 100% errors was caused by the junior doctors. So a pharmacology journal, this recommendation was prescribed. The prescription, after it is being written by the junior doctors, goes to the senior doctors. The senior doctors does a review of the prescription, and then the prescription goes to the patient. So what are the common errors a postgraduate trainee is likely to do in an ophthalmic OPD? They have a tendency to jump straight to antibiotic for any red eye. So a red eye could be anything but conjunctivitis. It could be a dry eye, allergy, episcleritis. PGs often miss primary angle closure suspect, and then they land up in angle closure glaucoma. They also have a habit or maybe a tendency to write steroid in any infective condition, and it could give very bad results. Cases of headache, diplopia, which needs thorough workup, might be just missed by a postgraduate trainee because he might have just written a paracetamol for a headache patient. Cases like idiopathic intracranial hypertension is very likely to be missed by a PG student. Flashes and floaters again needs a very methodical indirect ophthalmoscopy, and he just might not dispose the patient by writing a maybe NSAID. So this again needs very thorough follow-up and workup. Orbital cellulitis is again something which a PG is likely to miss. So I'd like to conclude that postgraduate students must be given sufficient knowledge of writing the prescription, but at all times it must be supervised because the interest of the patient comes first, and we cannot compromise the patient's safety. Thank you very much for your kind hearing.